training, I was just using Chat GPT and Claude for simple works like giving a prompt, getting the answers, and just like that. After this training, I have learned a lot of things. N8N, where workflows are generated, automation of the emails, that was a unique new thing for me.
So I have learned about the generative and the agentic AI, and I also learned about the different GPTs, and also I have learned about the workflows automation.
This gave me a very great insight and very helpful for my career.
So overall, it was a very productive and engaging session for me.